start a quick calculation, we click on the button Quick Calculation, which is on top of our tool. Now on the left side we can find the sheet metal work and the sheet chip removal on the right side. In this video we have a look at the sheet metal production and go to the left side and click on Sheet Metal Working Production. Now we see a new window Fast Calculation of sheet metal productions. We have a lot size of 10, a thickness of 5, a width of 200 and a length of 100. On the right side we can see our material steel, our density and each HM. This is a short form for the transport equipment. For example, we can choose boxes. The second step is to choose the panel format. We can find basic sheet formats with different width, length, components per sheet, kilogram per part and cutting scrape. Usually we choose the sheet format with the lowermost cutting scrape. We choose this by clicking on it twice. The field turns yellow. Thirdly, we enter our cutting length, our number of cutouts and our number of threadings. If you can find these information on your graph, you can just fill these in. Otherwise, you can calculate them by clicking on the green button Cutting Length. Now we are in the cutting length calculation. Here we can enter the share extensive. When we have cutouts, we choose the format first. You have the choice between round, square, rectangle and long hole. We choose a round cutout. The diameter is 10 and we have 2 cutouts. We also have 3 long holes with a diameter of 10 each and the side length is 5. Now we can see on top our total cutting length. To add this to our quick calculation sheet metal working, we click on Cut Length Transfer. When we have a look at point 3, we can see our cutting length, our total cutouts. Now we click on Calculate to see the machine selection. Point 4 shows the machine selection, which differ between laser, plasma, punching and pressing. Here we choose the machine with the lowermost price. In our example, this is the Laser 7kW. We choose the machine again by clicking on it twice until the field turns yellow. If you don't have foldings in your sheet, you can click on Transfer. In step 5 you can add foldings. For example, we have 2 edges and we can choose between simple bending with turning. You don't need to fill in this information, you can just click on Calculate. We have now our TR and our TE. To transfer this to our report, we click on Transfer. Now every information is in our report. The button See Me Product shows now our sheet format, the width, the length, the thickness, our pieces per sheet, our kilogram per part. Below the term Technology, we see our laser machine. Here you can also find our hourly rate, our production place, the setup time, the setup costs, our times a minute, our unit price, our divisor and our MMB. If you don't agree with these results, I recommend you the video Edit the Operation. If we go back now to our report, you can see our purchase price, which means that we can produce our product for this price.